Hi and welcome to my DIY with Mariana channel. In this video I'll be making raven earrings out of air dry clay. If you enjoy watching jewelry making videos, I'd be so grateful if you subscribe to my channel and like this video. I started making the earrings by drawing a raven template on paper. The wingspan is about 4.5 centimeters and the height is about 2.5 centimeters. Next, I rolled out the clay to a thickness of about 4 millimeters and cut the raven out using the paper template. You can use a bit of water to smooth out the edges. I used a sharp metal tool to carve some texture onto the wings. Remember to make the holes for the jump rings. Then let it dry completely for about a couple of days. At some point during the drying process I placed a light weight on top to stop the clay from warping and flipped pieces over every now and then. Once the pieces are fully dry, sand the edges smooth with fine sandpaper. Make sure to wear a dust mask. And finally wipe away the dust. I painted the ravens with acrylic paints. I wanted them to have a bit of shimmer, so I mixed in some copper paint. I actually tried gold first, but I didn't really like how it looked, so I used copper paint. When the paint is dry, protect the jewelry with a glossy varnish and let the varnish completely dry. Then it's time to assemble the earrings. I cut a 5 centimeter piece of chain and attach it to the raven piece from the wings. I think a slightly shorter chain might have been enough, but it depends. Do you want them to be, the earrings to be a bit longer or shorter? I used 6mm jump ring to attach the raven pieces to the chain, and then added the earring hook to the middle of the chain. And they're ready. Maybe the ravens could have been a bit blacker. They turned out slightly brown, I think, but otherwise I'm pretty happy with them. And see you next time with more jewelry making.